Retailers have said they were struggling to restock locally produced goods using the local unit as manufacturers and wholesalers are demanding the United States dollar. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, where we give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before we go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates. The failure by retailers to procure in local currency comes as the Zim dollar has experienced a sharp depreciation against the US dollar amid calls for the full re-dollarization of the economy. Retailers told Newsday that they had gone for weeks without the supply of locally produced basic commodities and warned of critical shortages of some products such as sugar. Confederation of Zimbabwe Retailers President Denford Mutashu said the supply chain of basic commodities had dollarized, leaving retailers who buy in local currency in a lurch. This is today's news about retailers running out of business because manufacturers and wholesalers are demanding the United States dollar. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates.